Excel Module 3 Advanced Features NPS, and NPS stands for National Park Service. So this exercise is a little similar to that dentist one where we had the fee summary for 3 separate dentists. Well, we want to know how many cars were in each national park for the month of May in 2015. So if we were to actually just click Bryce Canyon, you'll see how many, there's 16 days, and then the rest of the month, how many cars were going through in May 2015. And then for Grand Canyon and Mesa Verde, the same thing. So we want to add all of these up and get a grand total so we can put in the attendance summary. So the first thing you need to do is select ranges, and ranges are a group of information. So if we were to click this down arrow, I have 2 ranges right now. So if I choose the first one, Bryce, it'll take me to that worksheet, and it has both of the ranges that we need for all 31 days selected, which is perfect. Now if you notice, there's only 2, so we don't have one for Mesa. We will create one. Let's check Grand. Oops, so the first half of the month was selected, not the second. So we need to add one and edit one. So where you do this is in formulas, and it's under the category define name. Name manager. So there's our 2, and we're going to edit Grand. So I'm going to choose edit. And then I'm going to click this up arrow to select my range. And you can see right here that only B7 to B22 was selected. So I'm going to click it, and you can see that it's selected. I'm going to hold Control, and I'm going to go backwards. So I'll start down here. Doesn't matter. I think I was having trouble going down. It was selecting the entire row, so I went up. Anyway, when you have both your range B7 through B22 and E7 through E21, you have it. Click this to go back, and OK, and then that one's all set. So if we want to create a new one, we'll give it a name. Mesa's fine, and then we'll go get our range, and I'm just going to clear that, and we'll go get our range, and the range is from Mesa, and we'll select the first range, hold Control, and select the next, and then OK, and you can see everything there is from the worksheet and the ranges, and OK. So now we should have 3, so we'll close out of here, and if you wanted to check to see if the range is in here, there it is, and if I select it, perfect. All right, so let's go back to the first worksheet where we want our summary to pull from all 3. So we'll do that auto sum, and we'll click the very first one, Bryce, hold Shift, click the last one, and then what you'll do is you'll select the range. Now I need to select here, and the reason why I had to let go is if I selected across, I would get these. So now to select non-adjacent columns, hold Control and select. See, that's what I was doing before, so that's why I went backwards. Works better. And then just press Enter. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to do your auto sum and actually just type in the names of those ranges and separate by comma. You don't have to capitalize it, and done. That's a lot faster. That's a save and submit.